Hello, Dr. Aggravator here with a segment on aggravating. Hit the easy button. You don't have to put a lot of thought into this. Sometimes you don't even have to put any words into it. Sometimes it's just sounds. Whistle, off key, that works. Make grunty noises or sniff. That kind of noise really irritates, and if you've got any other noises up your sleeve that seem to do the trick, please employ them at your leisure. Your marriage will be a much happier one. Well, the wife might be a whole lot happier, but you will be, and that counts for something, doesn't it?